To my YouTube channel Study 24, and today we are going to discuss about top 5 Java programming books for beginners. So if you are beginners, I prefer you to learn this top 5 Java books. Okay, if you want to learn Java from books, from notes, from books, then this is the top 5 programming books which I will tell you today in this video. So please stay with me till the end, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. It is very much necessary for me, like as much as necessary for you to learn Java. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and now let's begin our first book. Which is our first book? So our first book is Head First Java. Head First Java is the title of the book and written by Kathy, Sira and Bert. ठीक है, this is the thumbnail for our video, and this is our thumbnail for our book, and its name is Head First Java. So this book is an excellent source for beginners who want to learn Java programming. It covers the basics of Java programming, object-oriented programming concept, and more advanced topics like threads, networking, and database. So this book covers from object to Java programming to object-oriented concept and topics like threads, networking, and databases. This book is an excellent resource for beginners. ये beginners के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा resource है. For beginners, it is very much helpful resources because this book is helpful for the beginners. Next book is a Java, a beginner's guide. So the book's title you can see here, Java, a beginner's guide, 9th edition. Okay, it is written by Herbert Schildt. Java, a beginner's guide by Herbert books. ठीक है, तो this book is comprehensive guide to Java programming language. It covers the basics of Java programming, object-oriented programming concept, and more advanced like JavaFX, Lambda expression, and modular programming. This book is comprehensive guide to Java programming. This book contains the basics of Java programming, object-oriented programming concept, and more advanced like JavaFX, Lambda expression, and modular programming. So this is the second book. Title is Java Beginner's Guide and by Herbert Schildt. Next book is Java Programming for Beginners by Mark Lassoff. ठीक है, the third book is Java Programming for Beginners by Mark Lassoff. This book is a great starting point for those who are new to Java programming. This is great starting point. Those who are new to Java programming, they should learn this book. It covers the basics of Java programming. It includes basics of Java programming. What are the variables, data types, loops, and condition statement. It also includes example and exercise to reinforcement learning. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि एग्जाम्पल्स भी और एक्सरसाइजेस भी इस बुक में है, और ये बेसिक्स ऑफ जावा प्रोग्रामिंग इंक्लूडिंग वेरिएबल, डाटा टाइप्स, लूप्स एंड कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट, इस सब पर इस बुक में लिखा हुआ है. सो प्लीज़ आई प्रिफर दिस बुक फॉर यू. So the book title is Java Programming for Beginners. If you are a beginner, you should learn from this. Now fourth book is Java in Easy Step by Mike McGrath. Mike McGrath, Java in Easy Steps. This book is a step-by-step guide to programming for beginners. Step-by-step guide to Java programming. ठीक, इसके अंदर step-by-step guidance आपको मिलेगा Java programming का. इसमें जावा प्रोग्रामिंग के बेसिक्स यहाँ पे दिए हुए, जैसे डाटा टाइप्स कैसे लिखते हैं, क्या होते हैं एरेज, कैसे जावा में कैसे टाइप्स होते हैं, एरेज क्या होता है, लूप्स क्या होता है, एंड कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट. यहाँ पे एग्जांपल और एक्सरसाइज भी दी हुई है इस बुक में. सो बुक टाइटल इज जावा इजी. नाउ आवर फिफ्थ बुक इज जावा फाउंडेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन टू प्रोग्राम डिजाइन एंड डाटा स्ट्रक्चर बाय जॉन लेविस एंड पीटर डी पास्कुला. John Lewis, Peter D. Pascula, and Joseph Chase are the author of the book Java Foundation Introduction to Program Design and Data Structure. This is our fifth book. ठीक है. This book also comprehensive introduction to Java programming. It covers basics of Java programming, data structure algorithm, and more advanced topic like graphical user interface programming, recursion, and sorting. It also includes examples and exercise to reinforce learning. So this is our last book, and this book is title is Java Foundation Introduction to Program Design and Data Structures. As this book's title suggests that it is have design and data structure. So if you want to learn data structure in Java, algorithms, and more topics like graphic user interface programming, recursion, and sorting, then you should learn this book. This book also contains examples and exercises of reinforcement learning. I hope this video is very much helpful for you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. My main target is 1,000 subscribers. If you are watching this video, it's your duty to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please, it is very much important for me to get some money to survive in this world. Without money no one can survive. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.